discussion was truly inspiring. Listening to Major General Shahryar Quraishi made me feel proud of being a Pakistani. His words about faith, resilience and national unity really struck a chord. It is a powerful reminder that we as students have a responsibility.
We got to know the things which actually happened during the war, Bunyani Mercies, and the things we got to know through the social media. They were so different in the things.
Valuable initiative for student empowerment. Actually, it provides a rare opportunity to students to engage directly with the military of Pakistan, fostering their awareness and strengthening their abilities. Thank you so much. Long live Pakistan.
What was the most motivating factor in the session was the gap that was there among youth and Pak Army. It was bridged, and the discussion highlighted the essence of recent mission that was carried out by Pak Army.